Welcome to a world of fun where anything can happen.
Good morning. Animal Kingdom is today, as you know. And we're going to be walking around and then maybe see some other stuff today. Yeah, it's quite interesting actually. From here, we can see off in the distance the new Pandora. I'll go ahead and zoom in real quick. That's actually slated to be open, I believe, next year. It's gonna be pretty nice, actually. Honestly, I can't wait, and yeah, I'm still gonna keep the annual pass holder, so that way we can go see that.
O decir, bueno, mira, tengo un sobrino que en el febrero viene.
That's why you don't go in the water.
Welcome to Harambe. Tusker House. Really nice place. Now in a little bit, we're going to be going to get return time for the Kilimanjaro safaris. And while we wait for that, we're going to go ahead and do the Gorilla Falls, which is quite fun actually. Before they did have a baby monkey, so we'll see if they still do. I don't know if we're going to do Rafiki's Planet Watch. It's pretty much a petting zoo on the other side of the park. Nothing too big. They set up DAS Pass. Essentially, they take your card, put it against the iPod basically, or Android. Depends on whichever one they're using right now. And it's really quick and easy. And you come back at the time that the wait time is for. Minus like 10 minutes on average. Really easy. You don't have to stand in line. But it is for disability only. And it's actually a change from the original one, where you used to be able to just come back at right then and there. Just go through Fast Pass. Many people got into a huff about it. We really didn't. We just rolled with it because you can't really fight it. Disney, they're going to do what they want, and it's all good. It still benefits us with her not being able to control her body temperature. So everything worked out good still.
That was awesome.
You know, it's actually sad because the only thing that we brought for a snack was bananas. But unfortunately, no bananas are allowed.
There will be something somewhere. Unless they put out a sign that says gone foraging, there's something there. So this guy is an ornate spiny-tailed lizard, and he's found in the Sahara Desert. And the thing you ought to know about him is he has to have temperatures over 100 degrees or he cannot digest his food.
Oh no, you can hop back in.
Hi.
They're individual homes. These guys build kind of like apartments. So there are several groups.
No. Stop. Stop.
You go on the second story.
It said 45 minutes. I saw
Tienes razón, no le pones algo así. La que chida.
Wandering around. No, that's not an alligator.
Sleeping.
Oh, so I didn't even see the hippo. I'm looking at the birds.
Right there, it looks like a big fly.
Wow. Oh my God.
Right, it's kind of leaning on the other one. It's on the ground. You see that? Well, the number 2 mule is also a very great benefit. You see the trees together. It seems like the line is going down.
I fly.
Rolled over in his sleep, and the next thing I knew, there was a big hole over
Papi, mira cómo se cuestan conmigo.
¿Están allá por ahí? Gaby. Allá está Gaby.
Vete acercando, pero no veas. La gente, es que la gente se va a reír. La gente no va a cerrar de pensar y mira dónde está ya.
Yeah, the brothers.
Espérate, Sebi. Like, like old brothers, they fight.
Yeah, they fight. They wrestle.
Can you get one, Jeff? Son tus tíos. I can probably get one up here. ¿Eh? That's good, Jeff.
And that's the oldest female down there. She's 46.
Interesting. That one was from 2015. The one on the left.
Yeah, I hear. Oh, yeah.
Is it bumpy, you guys? Wow.
Trying to hide away from people. Can't really blame them. Think about it, if all you are is just stuck here for a few hours a day. Yeah, I guess I would try to hide as well.
No.
Like and subscribe for more content. Comment for any future suggestions on where to go.